You change your CV axle joint, whatever you want to call it. I call it a half shaft CV joint. That's what I call it. It's gonna be a quick video how to do that. Let's start off. Got this from AutoZone. I changed my passenger side last year, and I got the lifetime warranty. Now this is for an '08 Tahoe. It might be the same for an '08 Tahoe, the Suburbans, the GMCs, the Yukons, and whatnot, similar bodies just like that. What I did last year when I got the passenger side, what I did is I got the lifetime warranty. Now that being said, these are interchangeable, meaning it can go. I can use this one part for the left side or the right. It don't matter. So what I did, I'm gonna let you guys figure it out. I ain't gonna say nothing. I went to AutoZone last year, got the lifetime warranty. So pretty much this is a warranty part, but I'm going to use it for my driver's side. I've been hearing a lot of clicking, knocking, especially when I'm backing up and whatnot. What you want to need now is you might need to rent the tool to where you got the different size axle nuts. Before you even jack the car up, there's some things you want to loosen up that I recommend. This is make it as easy as possible. These 3 bolts right here for the strut, 1, 2, and 3. You want to loosen those up before you even jack the car up. You're going to need a 18 millimeter for that. What you also want to crack loose before you jack up is your wheel lugs, your wheel nuts, whatever you want to call them. You want to crack loose this axle nut before you jack it up as well. And you also want to go and crack those, I don't know if you can see it, those bolts. It's like 6 or 5 of them, but they're like 15 millimeters. But you also want to crack those loose before you jack the car up. So let me go ahead and do that. Once you've cracked loose your lug nuts, your axle nut, those CV joint bolts over there, CV joint bolt right here, that's what I meant to say. You cracked your 3 strut bolts. What you want to do next, just to take the strut out. You're going to take the strut out, get it out the way. It is much more easier if you take this strut out, up and out the way. So what I already did, I cracked those up 3. I cracked those 3 up there. Those are 18 millimeter bolts up there. I'm going to take out 1 and 2. I'm going to take these bolts out. Those are 15 millimeter. Once you get those 3 bolts off, what you want to do, you want to loosen these up, but leave a couple threads in there, because if you just do it from up top and take these out, it's going to drop, and that's not going to be good. So I got those 3 bolts out. I'm about to slowly take these out and lower the strut. Now once you get the strut out, you can go ahead and take out those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts over there. You want to take out this, and it literally falls out after that. Now what you want to do is keep in mind, do not, focus. When putting the new one in, do not overextend it, because what happens is the joint inside of here will come out of here and it won't fit. And it's a pain to get back. You gotta take this off. It's a major pain. Whatever you do, do not overextend the joint when you putting it back in. I cannot stress enough about that. So let's take this old one out. All right, so this is the new one. finger tighten those bolts. For some reason, the new nut for the axle is being a little bitch and don't want to go inside the socket, but I had to give it a little force. You normally don't want to do that, but it's not a 36 too big, 34 is too small. It's just, I don't know what is it about this new nut, but I'm gonna figure that out. But pretty much the installation is the reverse of taking it apart. Yeah, I can take a couple pictures of, you know, how it looks afterward, but that's pretty much the gist of changing out the CV axle. So that's pretty much it. It's 2008 Chevy Tahoe, CV axle. That's it. Questions, comments, leave them and I'll do my best to answer them.